on Zoom, some people are following on Zoom. Following. On WhatsApp, people may not be following, but they can find the message when they are relaxed and they read through. You can do Zoom, you can do WhatsApp. So group presentation is very important also. Then is what they call home meetings. Home meetings. I love home meetings. Home meetings. I'm coming at home. I'm coming there. The auntie muyite, the brother muyite, the buni muyite. They come at home, you got home, you make a presentation in their home. Then you present the business to them. They got the home meetings. You can do home meetings. Then you can do hotel meetings. Hotel. It is the best. Hotel meetings. That's when you gather people in the hotel. You move up kunganya, tuja kuenda ku Arcadia Hotel, tena tubere ku Sunday, you come on Sunday, you make a presentation to them. There is a book I might recommend for you. It's called Own Your Life. It's Chanjukira, the author. Own Your Life. Own Life is a book. It can teach you how to make a presentation. A 1 minute presentation. 1 minute presentation. 1 minute presentation. How do you make a presentation in 1 minute? In 1 minute. 1 minute presentation. It's called Own Your Life. So that book can teach you how to make great presentations. Now, as the upline, you need to be the right upline. Be the right upline. Learn how to sponsor your people. Learn how to teach them the business. Teach them how to present the business. How together? Finally, but not the least, if you're going to make money in this business, learn to lead. Learn to lead. Learn to lead. Learn to lead. If you're going to be a good upline, learn to lead. Learn to lead. Learn to lead. Learn to lead. You got okulembera. Be a leader. In this business of network marketing or business of people, money follows in the direction of leaders. I'll repeat. In the business of people, or people business, money follows the leaders. Show me any person making money in the business, I'll show you a leader.